Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is module analysis of exploration. In Google Analytics, when we come to explore, it shows it as exploration. And as we have discussed in our last video, exploration gives you access to data and analytical techniques that aren't available in your report. It gives you a better understanding of your customer, and it uncovers some deeper insights and things that aren't easily seen or available in the standard reports. Okay. This is the basic report we have created. We have sections here like these are the templates we use. We'll get back to it later. First, this was the basic report that we created in the last video. So let's look it up. An exploration typically consists of three sections. The first section is the canvas section, that is the most important and the biggest section in the screen. This that is present in the right corner. This shows us the data, the actual data what we need is, and it the data representation here depends completely on the technique we have used. If you see here are few techniques, we will discuss them later. I'm currently using the free form techniques. Okay, it is much like a tabular form. And the second part is the variable that you can see here. This whole is variable. It gives you access to dimensions, segments, matrices. You can also change time frame here too, like this thing here. Okay. And the third one is the tab settings. So tab settings selects your techniques, visualizations, and you can select the row here, columns here, values, etc., filters. So and configure techniques specific options basically. Okay. So these are the three sections that every report contains: the canvas part, the variable section, and the tab settings. Okay. Now let's look at some techniques. So these are few by default templates we have. Okay. So first one is blank. Here you can select your variables and other things, and after the creation you can change the technique as per your wish, by the with the given techniques here. Okay. Free form. See, this is the most commonly used technique, and it is, I think, what a beginner should prefer. It shows you tabular data or cross table data, as some people used to name it as cross table data. So you can apply several styles here in freeform, like bar charts, pie charts, line charts, etc. So they are easy to read by a normal person also. Okay. The next is funnel exploration. As we can see in the picture, the data is shown in funnels here, and it actually visualizes the steps you take to complete a task on your site or on your app, and it see how you optimize user exploration. Like, it is easy to measure how user is interacting and how you can optimize the way, like you can see the steps the user is taking to complete his thing or what he wants. So you can see what extra things he's working on and some things that are not actually needed, so you can reduce them and you can actually work on the task delivery fast. Okay. The next is path exploration. Path exploration is path to path user take to as they interact to your website. See, sometimes what happens is, I need to go to page 4, and to go to page 4 I need to go to page 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And sometimes I have the url of page 4 and I directly enter the page 4 url, or my work is only to till second page or only till third page. So it basically shows you the path. See, here we can see that how it goes. So it actually works this way, like you can see the path, what path actually the user take as they interact with your website or your app. Okay. Segment overlaps. Here we have these circle datas, and it actually shows us how different users relate to each other. Like, see, this is one user and this is one user, and this the interaction part. This is what is common between in between the two users, the different two users, so we can relate common data and use to identify new segments of user who meet their, say, different criterias and all. Okay. The next is user exploration, explorer. And user explorer basically examines the user that makes up the segment you create or import. Okay. You can see here also mention what individual behavior can you uncover by drilling into individual user activities. Okay. So you can also drill into individual user activities, like if I want to get to know for a particular user, so I can do it here. The next is cohort exploration. It gains insights from the behavior and, you can say, performance of a group of users. So if you are one who need to have insights for a group, this is something for you. And group of users, it relates for common attributes also, like they must have some common things, and then you can use it for them. User lifetime. This is particularly something we use for a particular user throughout his lifespan on your site or app. So user, it explores user lifetime, is used to explore user behavior and values over their lifetime as a customer. Okay. So this is the brief about these techniques. You must try it on, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.